Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Math problems number 162.
Math Problems number 162. You know what? So today we're going over this problem, which was one of your homework problems from yesterday, and it turned out you had a really nice solution. So I was hoping you could show your solution to this in sort of a lecture style. Okay?
Yep.
6 divided by 0.3 plus 0.3 over 0.06.
Well, what I did was I found a common denominator.
Okay.
And then the common denominator was 0.3, and if you multiplied this by 5 over 5, you could get to the common denominator.
Okay, great. Well, why don't you write out some of your steps. 6 divided by 0.3.
Plus 1.5 over 0.06. Actually, because you got to the 3 stage. So
Yeah.
this is 0.3.
What did you multiply this fraction by? 0.3 over 0.06?
You multiplied it by 5 over 5.
Okay, good job. That's a very clever approach.
And then, since you have the same denominator, you could just add these together, and you get 7.5 over 0.3. And I think you can simplify that a bit.
Okay. How? How can you simplify 7.5 over 0.3?
You could get 2.5 because you can take a 0.3 out of all of that.
Okay.
So you can get 2.5 over 0.1.
Okay. So you factored a 3 out, not a
Yeah.
0.3, a 3. So dividing 7.5 divided by 3 was 2.5, and dividing 0.3 by 3 was?
Is 0.1.
Okay.
Now, 2.5 over 0.1, now we just multiply by a convenient form of 1. And now you can multiply by 10 over 10 here, and that gets us to 25 over 1, which is 25.
Hey. Very good job. Very good job. I really like this. You got a common denominator, added them together, and then you did the division. First by simplifying, by taking a 3 out.
Yep.
And then multiplying by 10 over 10, you got 25. Very good. High five. I like that a lot. I'm going to show you one other quick way to do this with fractions, and I'll just go through it quickly. Okay?
Yep.
We're going to write the decimals as fractions. So this is 6 divided by, what's 0.3?
It's 3/10.
3/10 plus 0.3, which we just said was 3/10,
3/10.
divided by, what's 0.06?
6/100.
6/100. Now how can we do these divisions?
Well, we can do them in separate, and then we can simplify them.
Okay.
So this one you can just flip upside down and multiply by it. So this becomes 6 times 10 thirds.
10 thirds. Okay. What does this one become?
3/10 times 106.
106.
And now you can simplify.
All right.
So you can simplify here, and you get 2 times 10 because it's just a 1 on the bottom.
Okay, so this 3 cancels with that 6, and you're left with 2 times 10. What happens over here? What cancels?
You can simplify this and that.
All right, and what are you left with?
You're left with, so 1 over 1 times 10 over 2.
Okay, this becomes 10 over 2. I'm not going to write the 1 over 1. That's okay. So what is 2 times 10?
It's 20.
Do you know?
Yes,
All
I do.
right, 20. And hold on a second. What is 10 over 2?
It's 5.
All right.
And now we can just add 20 plus 5 is 25.
Yeah.
Like we got.
Okay. High five. So that's a way of doing it by converting to fractions.
Yeah.
And your way of doing it with the decimals was really awesome. All right. Good job this morning. Good job.